Gang! How would you like to have 50,000 new people to your Instagram every single month? I'm gonna show you how to get 50,000 new potential followers. It's gonna cost you less than $15. I'm not joking. This is real. I'm also gonna show you how I took my Instagram engagement from 2% to 20%, which I've never seen anyone in the history of Instagram actually do. But I have some secrets that they don't have, and I'm gonna show them to you in this video. So if you wanna gain new followers and get everyone who already follows you to pay attention to you again, you need to watch to the end of this video. It's gonna help anybody on Instagram. So let me show you what I've researched, and it took me forever to learn. Now, just so you know that I know what I'm talking about, you might remember me from some other Instagram marketing videos. I have some with millions of views on them that have gone viral. I'll put a picture on the screen of this one. This one has over 2 million views on it. And I have dozens with over 100,000 views on them. I cannot believe I look like that much of a douche in that thumbnail. I was trying to look nice. I put like a dress shirt on and look like a douche. Well, things change. Or a lot of people in LA walk up to me and remember me from those Instagram videos because you can't miss me. I'm in LA with my neon green R8 with my name on the side of it. Rob Level.
Oh my God, it's Rob. Yes, sir. My Rob Level in this vid. Yes, sir. Big dog shit.
I've helped millions of people grow their Instagram following, including Fortune 500 companies and a bunch of influencers that you know. I'm not even gonna start saying names because this would be a list that'll be so long. And today, I'm gonna help you for free. You can't beat that. First, let's talk about why engagement matters more than anything to you. You've already gained all these followers. You already earned them, right? Problem is, the reason that you don't get as many likes compared to the amount of followers you have is that Instagram's not showing your posts to people. That's why you only get like 1/20th of all of your likes and your comments that you should be getting. And you're like, why is this happening? Well, I'm gonna explain to you. What happens is this. If they don't engage with your posts that you're making and they don't engage after enough of them happen, Instagram assumes, well, they don't want to engage with this person's post. It's ruining the user experience because the entire algorithm is built around them wanting to come back to the platform. So if you post enough and they don't click it, it just removes you from it. So the only way to actually get back into their feed is for you to somehow re-engage yourself with their profile. So here's a 3-step trick to drive your old followers back to your page. And after I do this, I'm gonna show you way more secrets, okay? Number one, in order to drive those people back to your page, all you need to do is engage with their profile. So number two, after you re-engage with their profile by liking a picture, commenting on a picture of theirs, or even DMing them, but I recommend liking and commenting because it actually provides value, or by viewing their story, this will cause them to click the notification from the like of the comment, come to your page, and then potentially like or comment on your most recent post because they're following you, but they didn't remember they were following you, okay? You actually just liking their post will make Instagram show your post to them again, especially if they come back to your page and they like more of your post. That'll maximize that effect. It's really that easy, right? So number three, you're gonna start showing their feed again. It's that easy. You just have to re-engage with them and show Instagram that you wanna be participating with them and that they wanna be participating with you. Going to your profile is enough. So that right there is gonna kick all of your followers back. So what you need to do is you need to just engage with all of your followers already, one at a time, and it'll shoot them back into the algorithm for you. So if you have 8,000 followers, you're gonna be able to re-engage your entire audience in 10 days. Pretty cool, right? Stick around to the end of the video, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. But now, let's talk about how to get tons more followers on Instagram. All you need is exposure to your Instagram, right? You know, if somebody shouted you out or people just happen to come across your page, they'd follow you. You're talented. All you need is people to see you. That's most people's problem. If I shouted you out and sent 1 million people to your profile, and your profile looks good and gives people a reason to follow, don't you think a ton of people would follow you instantly? If you have good content, the answer is yes. Especially if you look like any of my ex-girlfriends. So again, all you gotta do is drive people to your Instagram. All you need is exposure for people to see you, to see your content, to see your videos, to see your music, to see your art, to see your beauty, to see your fitness. It's really that simple. And you're gonna wanna do it with the most minimal effort possible. So I have a 3-step trick that is the easiest possible way to get people to your Instagram. Number one is to target the right audience and like and comment on their post, which drives them to your page. 2, they see the notification, they get driven to your page. 3, if they like what you're posting, they'll follow you. That's how Instagram works, guys. That's it. All they have to do is discover you. I'm gonna show you how to target those people and drive them all to your page. Here's where it gets fun. I use this tool that most people, and I mean almost nobody, knows about because the guy who made the tool is not good at marketing. This tool, when I came across it, had like 10 downloads. I was like, what? I was like, only 10 people have this? But it's insane. It works so well. Now I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process of using it in minutes a day that'll gain you loads of followers, okay? Number one, I'm gonna put a link below. Right. You're gonna be able to install this Google verified Chrome extension browser that you can use every single day. And when you turn it on, you're able to just target the people that you want to target. This is what I use to re-engage everybody with my profile again. And this is also what you use after you do the re-engagement. You'll be able to use it to drive more traffic to your actual Instagram after that with all new users. This tool is really cool because I can either put my own name into the box to scrape my own followers and target them, or I can put somebody else's name who's, like, let's say that you're a model and you want to steal somebody else's fans. You just type in her name, it'll scrape all her followers and you can start stealing them by liking their post and everything else like that. And by the way, this is not a bot. This is not a bot, okay? Just want to clarify that for you. This is a tool that organizes everything for you and collects the data of the Instagrams, which is completely allowed, by the way, with Instagram's API. And then you go in, all you have to do is just do what it says. It'll say like, it'll say comment, and it'll automatically do it for you. The process is sped up for you to actually make this happen 50 times faster than you could possibly do it by yourself on your phone or on your computer. That's why this tool is so beautiful. Because the tool, number two, so after you choose your targeted audience based on hashtags or based on your competitor or based on anybody whose fans you want to get, or even based on location, this tool organizes all those people for you. And after you do the task, it removes the task, it gives you the next one, removes the task, does the next one. You could do this up to 800 times a day, which means you can drive 800 people a day to your profile, which means if you want to re-engage with your current followers, you just put your name in the box and you engage with them 800 at a time every day, okay? This is stupid, crazy genius. And it's not a bot, right? That was the problem, that before people were making bots that did all these actions for you. But this guy was really smart because he made this tool that allows you to do it yourself, but it does every action for you up to the point where it's not a bot, right? It organizes everything for you like a bot, but then when you make the action, it's human, right? So everything's done in the background, but then when it comes to the Instagram aspect of you making the choice and the decision, it's a human action. You like, you comment, but everything else is organized and everything's pulled in right there for you to do. That's why this is so beautiful. So when I came across it, I'm like, everybody needs this. And I'm gonna show them. So anybody with the basic understanding and knowledge of how Instagram works should completely understand how genius this is. It's able to drive 800 to 1,000 people based on just normal actions every single day. That's a lot. That means you realistically can get around 30,000 people a month if you're using this every single day. And that doesn't include the next crazy feature that I'm gonna tell you about. By the way, if you wanna go download this so you can start using it, I'm gonna put a link below for you, okay? Right. Not only does this tool organize all those tasks for you, it also has a feature where it'll watch everybody's story for you. Because when you set up a story, you let it run. You can set your story up and just let it run. The thing about that is that this allows you to watch even your followers' stories. That counts as engagement. That's why this tool is even more genius. Because it'll scrape your followers and then go through and you just turn it on and it just watches your stories. And that's not a bot. It's just watching a story and it just goes through them in order, because that's what you can do. If you just press stories, it'll just go through the stories that you're already following. Problem is that you can only watch the story of people you're following through your phone. Through this software, it'll watch the story of every single person that's following you or who you want to see your profile and follow you. This is crazy. This is insane. And I've already tested this. You could do this. It will not harm your Instagram. Instagram does not care how many stories you watch because they get paid for the stories that get ran in front of you. So they don't care. They don't care. They don't care if it's just watching stories all day long. What's it hurt them? But that whole time, people are getting notified. People go in there and they see, who's this person watching my story? Who the hell is this? And they click, and then they see your profile. And that counts as engagement. And they might just follow you. Right. Click the link below, guys. Check out this. I mean, what's it hurt to try it out? You're able to use this software for 100% free. It has a free trial, and then it's like dirt cheap, barely costs anything. Every month is like less than like a basic dinner, okay? So go test it, see that it works. And when you see that it works, you're gonna wanna get it, which the guy was really smart for putting a free trial in there. So link's gonna be below for you. Go check it out. Make sure you follow me, Rob_Level on Instagram, because I'm growing fast, all right? And then make sure you subscribe, right? Because I have tons of videos like this on marketing and a lot more coming on Instagram. I'll help you guys out. Click the link below, get your hands on it, or go to smartrapper.com/GP, all right? Let me know your results you guys are getting with it, because I'd love to see people start telling me that I helped them out with this, all right? So keep hustling. I'll see you at the top. Smart Rapper Gang.